In this video, we're making slow cooker barbecue brisket quesadillas, made with Gouda cheese, pickled onions, and a fig barbecue sauce. To start, grab a paper towel and pat the meat dry. Take 2 tablespoons of oil and rub all over the meat. The oil will help the dry rub stick a little better. For the rub, season all sides with a blend of equal parts salt and pepper, about 1/4 cup each, and 1 tablespoon of paprika for a little bit of extra color. There's really no reason to use a lot of different herbs and spices. Keep it simple, let the meat do the talking. Besides, after 5 hours in a slow cooker, you won't even be able to taste them. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Add the meat and sear for 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. This will help it develop a nice crust and add some additional color. Place the meat into a slow cooker, then add 1 cup of unsalted beef broth. Cover and cook on high for 5 hours. And while the meat cooks, we make the pickled onions and the barbecue sauce. First up, the pickled onions. To a medium bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of water. Whisk until the sugar and salt dissolve. Add 1 red onion, thinly sliced, to a plastic container. Pour the vinegar mixture over the top of the onions, cover, and place in the refrigerator to chill for a few hours. Next, we make the fig barbecue sauce, which comes from Aaron Franklin, a James Beard Foundation award-winning chef. To a medium pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Melt the butter over medium-low heat. Add 8 figs that have been sliced in half. The goal here is to soften the figs, not cook them. Once the figs are softened, add 1.5 cups of ketchup, 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 cups of light brown sugar. Cook and stir until the brown sugar melts. Next, add 1/2 cup of fig preserves and 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and stir to combine. Take it off the heat and pour into a blender. Blend until all the figs are broken down. Pour the sauce back into the pot. Season with some salt and pepper. Turn the heat back on, this time to low, and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes to thicken. After 5 hours of cooking on high, the brisket is ready to shred. The internal temperature should have read somewhere between 190 and 210 degrees Fahrenheit on a meat thermometer. Pour some of the barbecue sauce over the meat and give it a quick mix. Now, we build. First, grab a flour tortilla and fold it in half. And in this order, add some Gouda cheese. I have about 5 cups here. You won't be using all of it. Figure 1 cup per quesadilla, followed by the brisket, pickled onions, and another layer of cheese to act as the glue to the top half. There's your first quesadilla. Once again, fold over, then add the Gouda, brisket, pickled onions, and lastly, more cheese. Then cook in a frying pan over medium-high heat for 4 to 6 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown. And once they are done cooking, they should look something like this. Give them a quick slice. Add some horseradish sauce on the side for dipping. Garnish with some cilantro. And there we have it. Slow cooker barbecue brisket quesadillas.